An American ghost army tricked Hitler with rubber tanks and fake radio chatter, saving 30,000 lives. March 1944, 23rd Headquarters Special Troops activated 1,100 artists, actors, engineers. June 1944, D-Day plus 18, they land in France. Operation Elephant, July 1944, inflatable Shermans, dummy artillery near Brest. Sonic deception units blast tank noises from 15 miles away. August 1944, Operation Bettemborg mimics 4th Armored Division, fool 15th German Army. March 1945, Rhine crossing 900 fake vehicles. Spoofed 9th Army diverted 2 Wehrmacht divisions. Declassified 1996, saved 15,000 to 30,000 Allied troops per estimate. Recruits included Bill Blass, Ellsworth Kelly, Hollywood set designers turned soldiers. Hitler never knew the tanks were air-filled art, won the war before steel did.